Well, good morning. William from Williams, Philippines. I hope everybody's doing good today. Uh, I get to go to therapy this morning when I get out of here. And it looks like the girl I left her well stocked for breakfast, but Sunday morning there was hardly anything left, and I loaded for bear. That happens when you get pretty much full here at the hotel. Anyway, July 15th, 2024. Boy, hearing all the stuff that's going on. As to what didn't happen in the way of protecting President Trump. Makes you wonder. Can you say incompetence? But just pray. It's about all we can really do is just pray, because we don't need this kind of trouble. It is what it is, though. Anyway, apparently people screaming, yelling, and pointing at something doesn't get security guards or the cops or the FBI's or the Secret Service's attention. And to see how close we actually came to having Trump dead, that would not have been good. Matter of just a wee bit of an angle, an inch or two. So, guess his guardian angel was working overtime Saturday night, so thank God. Anyway, apparently when I tried to get rid of an app, I don't know how, but I got notifications for it still. I didn't know. I thought I'd taken it off my phone. And then it shows up as still there. Anywho, definitely confusing. And I don't know about you, but I'm sore, my neck's hurting, and I got to go to therapy again, and I'm feeling all stiff in my neck and shoulders. I don't like therapy, but it is what it is, and it's supposedly gonna help. Not sure. Anyway, we'll keep trying to build it up and keep it going, make my neck stronger. Came back in after a couple of walks around the building. One of the guests was trying to check out, so I had to check him out. Had a nice travel trailer on the back of his truck, and he says he spends about $150 when he filled it up just before he parked it. $150 on filling up the truck. Oh my gosh. And I was thinking about buying a truck and a travel trailer and dragging it around the U.S. And that big truck, don't get me wrong, big heavy duty, full ton, full 1 ton dually. Actually, it's pulling way more than 1 ton. That trailer's big 28 or 32 foot job. got the fifth wheel. So it's actually pretty well balanced probably. But yeah, and that thing's got a big giant gas tank. But I'd hate to have to fill that thing up, and it's another reason I want to move to the Philippines. Although the gas is higher, the distances are a lot shorter, and no heavy dragging around of a trailer. I can just get one of them small, Carabao commuter with a box on the back of it and turn that into a camper if I really want to go running around camping. And actually, that does sound like a good idea to me. Yeah. Even if I spend, $50 a month on gas, that would be a lot better than $150, and he'll probably end up filling it up again in 3 days at most. Probably 2 at best, would be better, but yeah. And if he really gets out there and drives, he might have to fill it up twice today. Boy, that would be scary. But yeah, big heavy duty truck with a big heavy duty trailer on it. Like I say, 28, 32 foot, something like that. Fifth wheel. And I was thinking about trying to do that around here, and the more I see that, and yeah, I just realized I can't afford to stay here unless I keep my house and keep working. It just ain't right. The costs of things right now, and I don't see it getting any better. Not unless we do end up with Trump in there. Sorry, a bit tired. Yeah, because one of the first things Biden did when he came in was cut off our, access to using oil that's under our feet. I mean, we've got more oil than pretty much everywhere here in the U.S. And to, all of a sudden cut us off from it, it's what Biden did when he came in there. He shut down pipelines and such and made it pretty much too expensive to do our oil and use our oil. So now we're dependent on other places for our oil, and it costs too much. When, if Trump was in office, we were energy independent. We were exporting oil and gas. And, had all of our own. And, but Biden gets in there and cuts us off from our own supply. And, magically the prices go up, and, not good. So, it is what it is. So, but I'm not going to depend on that. I'm coming to the Philippines and going fishing. I'm going to just try to find a place that I like the beach and go fishing off the beach. Go find a place that seems good to catch a boat out on and go fishing. Hell, there was somebody over there that was showing a man, one of the YouTube videos was showing a man building a bonka boat, one of the outrigger boats, and said it was something like $5,000 to build that. Oh, yeah, I would love to have one of those and just go out and go fishing. And just go out there, and that would be a fun one to catch a monster on. Get out there and really get drug around. I could have fun doing that. Just saying. Yeah. But yes, I'd be happy catching, like I say, catch a tuna that weighs as much as I do, 200 pounds, or 50 kilos, or 100 kilos, ballpark. Or something bigger, 200 kilos. 400 pound plus 450, a fish that weighs 450 pounds. Yeah, I could just drag me all over the place and I'd die happy. Just saying. I'm definitely ready to come over there and start fishing. And somebody was commenting, and I told them, yeah, I'm going to be over there come June, maybe a little earlier, maybe a little later, but I'm shooting for June of 2025. So basically 11 months, 10 months, something like that. I'm definitely ready to get over there. Anyway, I hope you all having a blessed day. May it be full of joy and fun. Anyway, blessings. Later. Bye-bye. Williams, Philippines. I'm William. I am Fish, and hey, Fish is out.